It's the weekend. Wonder what I want to do this weekend. It's a 3-day weekend. It's Memorial Day. Hmm. I know. I'll do some kayaking. Yeah. Kayaking, that's only going to be like 1 day out of the whole weekend. So I need to find out something else to do too. I know. I think I'll go for a hike with Augie this weekend too. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do Little Mountain. Starting on McMurray. Yeah. All right. Say Augie probably wants at them. What do you think, Aug? So this is Augie and my first trip back on the water today. It's not the best of conditions outside, but it's all right. Why are you getting in the camera view? Look, that's a camera, dude. He actually seems to be pretty comfortable so far. He's kind of wanting to go in, but not a real good time. The water's actually not too bad. As you can see, I'm pretty drenched, at least from the knees down anyway, and feels pretty good. It's currently about 55 outside or so not a bad day at all. A little bit of a breeze picking up, so now it's kind of pushing me. But here's the other side of the lake. We're just now coming around the corner. This kayak is man, it's big. Just seems like you're just like right on top of the water too. It really tracks well, unless you have a dog in the front and the wind's blowing. But and it's not very windy. It's just enough to push us to one side or the other. But I tell you what, just one push like that, look at that. It just starts tracking the direction you want it to go. See that? And then if you want to keep going straight, man, it just cruises. What do you want, dude? Why don't you go back over where you were? No, get off the side. You're not falling in again. He hasn't fallen in this time, but he tends to want to get on the edges, and then he'll slip and fall off. All right, she's all cleaned up and ready for the next round. Still looks brand new, doesn't it? She's a pretty thing. She's all put back together now. I'd say we're ready for the next round. Maybe I can bring some people along with me next time. Got enough for 3 more. Any takers? All right, so me and Augie are off on another little adventure. We're gonna go do some hiking around Little Mountain. Probably about 5, maybe 5.5 miles. So this weekend's been pretty good about for us getting out and getting recharged with the surrounding area. All right, we are off on Little Mountain, about a 5-mile hike. Let's get started. It's like Fern Alley through here. Check it out, Augie. Wow. smells so good. There it is. Right there. Those smell so good. It's like a holly bush. Nice. And it's so humid today. My glasses, every time I stop, they fog up. Like, really fog up. All right, slow down there, partner. He's trying to get back to the vehicle. Anyway, it's been a great hike today. We're coming up on 4 miles now, so I think we're getting pretty close back to the car, and we'll be on our way again. Check it out. All right, so I picked it up and I'm putting it back down somewhere else. You gotta dream big. Well, that was it for the hike today. Back of the Jeep. Somebody's a little thirsty. All right, so the hike by the numbers. Total time, 2 hours, 3 minutes, 42 seconds. Distance, 4.29 miles. Elevation gain, 944 feet. Elevation loss, 329 feet. I don't know how that happens. When you go up, you got to come back down, right? I don't think that's right. But anyway, that's it for the numbers. I love Fig Newtons. Favorite trail food. Augie and I hope you liked the video today. If you like this video, please subscribe below and hit that like button. We'll see you on the next one.